10 amazing brunch ideas for people with diabetes, tasty and blood sugar friendly. Hey there! If you or someone you know is living with diabetes, you might think brunch options are limited. But guess what? You can still enjoy delicious, satisfying meals that are good for your blood sugar. Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing brunch recipes that are not only diabetes friendly, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. I'll also explain why these recipes are great, what benefits they offer, and how much you should eat. Let's get started. Recipe 10. Avocado and egg toast on whole grain bread. First up, avocado and egg toast on whole grain bread. This is a simple, yet powerful combo. Avocado gives you healthy fats that are great for your heart and help keep your blood sugar stable. The egg adds protein to keep you full, and whole grain bread provides fiber, which slows down digestion and prevents sugar spikes. Why you should eat it. Healthy fats for heart health. Protein to keep you energized. Fiber for better blood sugar control. How much to eat? 1 slice of whole grain bread, half an avocado, and 1 egg. Perfect for 1 person. Recipe 9. Greek yogurt parfait with berries and nuts. Next, we have a Greek yogurt parfait with berries and nuts. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, which are amazing for your gut health. Berries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants, and nuts add a nice crunch along with healthy fats. Why you should eat it. Probiotics for a healthy gut. Antioxidants to fight inflammation. Healthy fats for long-lasting energy. How much to eat? 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of mixed berries, and a tablespoon of nuts. Ideal for 1 serving. Recipe 8. Veggie-packed omelet. At number 8, we have a veggie-packed omelet. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, and when you add veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms, you're getting a boost of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This dish is low in carbs, but high in nutrients. Why you should eat it. Protein for muscle repair and energy. Fiber to keep your blood sugar steady. Vitamins A and C for a strong immune system. How much to eat? 2 eggs, with about a cup of mixed veggies. Perfect for 1 person. Recipe 7. Green smoothie bowl. Number 7 is a green smoothie bowl. Spinach is loaded with iron and magnesium. The banana adds natural sweetness and potassium, and chia seeds on top give you omega-3s and fiber. It's refreshing, filling, and super nutritious. Why you should eat it. Iron for energy and focus. Omega-3s for brain health. Fiber for better digestion. How much to eat? 1 cup of spinach, half a banana, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. Great for 1 serving. Recipe 6. Low-carb almond flour pancakes. Number 6 is low-carb almond flour pancakes. Almond flour is low in carbs, but high in healthy fats and protein. These pancakes are fluffy, delicious, and won't spike your blood sugar. Top them with a little sugar-free syrup or yogurt for extra flavor. Why you should eat it. Low glycemic index for stable blood sugar. Healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Gluten-free and diabetes-friendly. How much to eat? 2 to 3 small pancakes, made with about a 1/4 cup almond flour and 1 egg. Perfect for 1 person. Recipe 5. Turkey and veggie wrap. At number 5, we have a turkey and veggie wrap. Lean turkey gives you protein, avocado adds healthy fats, and hummus brings in extra flavor and fiber. Use a whole grain or low-carb tortilla to keep it diabetes-friendly. Why you should eat it. Lean protein for muscle repair. Healthy fats for heart health. Fiber to keep you full and your blood sugar stable. How much to eat? 1 wrap with 2 to 3 slices of turkey, a 1/4 of an avocado, and a tablespoon of hummus. Ideal for 1 serving. Recipe 4. Chia seed pudding. Number 4 is chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They're packed with omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Just mix them with unsweetened almond milk, let it sit overnight, and top with berries in the morning. It's like dessert for breakfast. Why you should eat it. Omega-3s for brain and heart health. Fiber for better digestion. Protein to keep you full. How much to eat? 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Great for 1 serving. Recipe 3. Smoked salmon on whole grain crackers. Number 3 is smoked salmon on whole grain crackers. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which are great for reducing inflammation, and whole grain crackers add fiber. It's a simple, elegant brunch option. Why you should eat it. Omega-3s for heart and brain health. Protein for energy. Fiber for blood sugar control. How much to eat? 2 to 3 crackers with about 2 ounces of smoked salmon. Perfect for 1 person. Recipe 2. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Number 2 is a quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber and magnesium, which is great for blood sugar regulation. Why you should eat it. Complete protein for muscle repair. Magnesium for blood sugar control. Fiber for digestion. How much to eat? Half a cup of cooked quinoa with your favorite toppings. Ideal for 1 serving. Recipe 1. Egg stuffed bell peppers. And finally, at number 1, we have egg stuffed bell peppers. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, and eggs provide high-quality protein. This dish is low in carbs, high in nutrients, and absolutely delicious. Why you should eat it. Vitamin C for a strong immune system. Protein to keep you full and energized. Low carb and diabetes friendly. How much to eat? 1 stuffed pepper half. Perfect for 1 person. So there you have it, 10 delicious, diabetes-friendly brunch recipes that are as nutritious as they are tasty. Remember, an average adult needs about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you'll need around 56 grams of protein per day. These recipes are designed to help you meet those needs while keeping your blood sugar stable. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas. Until next time, happy brunching.